You guys, I would love to share with you three to five best ways for you to make money with your smartphone while in Uganda. If you know you're in Uganda, this video is for you. I know most of us, we always sit and handle our smartphones, start scrolling from 7 o'clock to 10. Even if you have work, you find yourself having that time. The instinct wants you to see what is happening on TikTok, what is happening on Facebook, what is happening on YouTube. But you forget there is someone who is feeding you, the person who is like you and me, feeding you the information that your instinct is looking for or is yearning for. But before we dive in, don't forget that every millionaire you see on social media, you see they are telling that they are millionaires, they all started like you, a beginner, like me, who is now 4 years. So today, we are going to see how to perfectly start, not how to start perfectly. You can start in any way as long as you have smartphone. Provided you grab your phone right now, you sit down and say, enough is enough. I don't want to be scrolling people's things without even seeing my post there. So I'm talking about content creators. Content creation, I know someone out there is like, it's not for me. Content creation is for everybody because every day is content in your life. From the time you sleep to the time you wake up, the things, the thoughts, what you hope for, what you do, what you feel in your mind. Sometimes there's that inner man who wants, I wish the world can do this. I wish the government can do this. I wish the syllabus can change. I wish. It's like there are things that you want to dispense, but they're still in your mind. So content creation is a cross. It has no age. It has no class. It has no which degree did you learn, but it can have a skill and a direction. So which skill do you have? Which direction do you have? What exactly do you want to change the world? Most people in Uganda, there are some people who are like, I don't like this government, the way they are doing things. So grab your phone. Let's change the government. And how we're changing the government, I'm not going to show you that. You're going to change it by shouting, by insults. No, you're going to change it by showing what do you think is the best thing for the government to do. And the government changes. How do you think the curriculum can change? I'm not speaking to the intellectuals who think, no, the president of Uganda is doing things wrongly. I'm giving, every class can do content creation. So for you to do content creation, but before we dive in, I would love to say thank you to every subscriber that has been subscribing lately on Immaculate Show, and to you who is a love of Immaculate Show, a fan, I love you so much. We give you tips on how to make money using your smartphone, not only to make other people make money. So these 5 ways are very simple and clean. Content creation is the first one. These are 5 ways to make money with a smartphone in Uganda and in Africa at large. So what you need to do, get your phone, go to one of the platforms that you love. Remember, don't put that, I'm a doctor, I'm master's degree, I cannot do this. What do you want to give matters so much. So content creation, when you get your phone, you can either record or you can air out your story, or you can give a voiceover, depending. You can go to the video and do what I'm doing, or you can do faceless. It's up to you. So you get your phone, do what you want the world to hear, or do what you feel your spirit wants to do. So when you record, you get the platform of your choice. Is it Facebook? Is it YouTube? Is it TikTok? Anyone. You post there. The moment you post there, every platform has a threshold of how much do you need, or how many people do you need for you to start being monetized. Then you follow the steps. That is a video for another day. If you want to know how to monetize, I want you to put it in the comment section and tell us which platform are you interested in. Then the second one is selling on social media. Trust me, I know you're watching me, but you bought something on social media. When we say buying something on social media, we mean like marketplace on Facebook, we mean Instagram, WhatsApp status. All these ones, they are powerful tools for you in Uganda to sell something. you can sell your old things in the house instead of throwing them. I had the habit of throwing them. I no longer throw. Now that you're in Uganda, this is the right time for you to sell the used things, as long as you know how to use it. So if you want to know how to use the marketplace, you want to know how to use Instagram, Facebook on selling your used things, old things, please put it in the comment section. Then another one is dropshipping and e-commerce. When you're talking about dropshipping and e-commerce, it is one of the best things. Some of you are buying things on Noon, are buying things on Nin, on Amazon. You are doing drop shipping. So they are doing, some companies are doing drop shipping. This is whereby Shopify can come in. Shopify, you go down, you set up your Shopify or Noon store or Amazon store. You sell products without even holding an inventory. You only need to know what exactly is selling, what are the people looking for now, and you can do that by using even Google Trends. Google Trends will show you in Uganda right now, people are looking for this. They are looking for solar panels. They are looking for agricultural products. So you look for the agricultural products and do drop shipping. Then influencer marketing is what I'm giving you, and it will be the last. Please, if you want to know others, there are very many. I want you to put it in the comment section. Even with 1,000 followers, you can be an influencer, but you be a positive influencer, because there are some people who are influencers and negative influencers, but you can be a great one, a micro influencer, because people are paying for shout outs in Uganda. They have businesses. So if you can do product reviews, you can do collaborations, you can go to the shop and approach them, you can do this. This one is so superb and so clear. So guys, these are 5 ways of making money with your smartphone online and internet in Uganda. What you do, grab your phone and do it. If you want to know the details, put it in the comment section. See